To make use of SciCookie, you need to have the library installed. You can follow these steps. Define the folder where the project will be created, for example, project name. Once defined, navigate to the folder and open the terminal. In the terminal, enter the following command. Alternatively, you can open Visual Studio Code, navigate to the folder where the project will be stored, open the terminal, and enter the command pip install SciCookie. After installing the library, the next step is to enter the following command either in your system's terminal or Visual Studio Code's terminal. This will initiate the project creation process. You will be prompted to define the next information. Author's name, author's email, project title, a brief project description, code name for your project, code name for your package, project version, project URL, selection of project license, selection of code of conduct, Once the project details are completed, it will be generated, as shown in Visual Studio Code on the left side of the screen. SciCookie also allows creating templates for specific profiles, such as the OSL profile. To do this, we need to navigate to the folder where the project will be stored and enter the following command in our terminal. This will initiate the project creation with OSL profile. You will need to complete the information displayed on the screen. As you'll notice, it isn't the same information as for a general profile, but in this case, it's customized for the introduced profile. Once the project creation is finished, we will open it in Visual Studio Code. You can use the following command. The project is created with the OS cell profile, and we can see the template created on the left side of the screen.